Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mani using Saviland. This is a 20-piece dip powder kit, and you can get this directly through Amazon, or you can get it directly through their website as well. So here's all 20 beautiful colors. There's a mixture of pastels, vibrants, glitters, and overall it's just a really good color combination for a starter kit. And then we're going to be using these three colors here for today's mani. Also, it did come with liquids, but right now I am super sensitive to liquids because I'm pregnant. So I am going to be using gels for this mani. So here is what the jar looks like, and look at that sparkly, gorgeous glitter. And then we have the violet color here, and that is really pretty. Now, I do really like these jars, I must say. They are not a number system like you normally would see with an Amazon powder dip kit. It actually has names, so I do like that about this kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit. So now that we're going into our second dip, I must say that these color payoff for this kit, I was pleasantly surprised. The pigments are pretty pigmented. Now the glitter, I wish it was just a little bit more glittery. I love everything sparkle and I want it super blingy, but it's okay. It's more of like a subtle glitter. It's not going to be like your extreme glitter that you're used to seeing on my channel. But overall, I was really impressed with these pigments, and that pastel color on the pinky was super pigmented, and normally pastels look a little washed out and have a more whitish tone to it, but that purple is beautiful, and I'm really enjoying that pastel purple on the pinky. All right, so I'm gonna let you continue watching this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end with my final thoughts. Right, so we're just finishing up this mani here, and I definitely think this 20-piece kit would be really good if you're just starting dipping, or if you're wondering if you're going to like the dipping experience. This kit might be the way to go for you, just because it has a lot of different color options, and it does come with the liquids. And the price point isn't that bad. It's only $29.44 on Amazon. So look at these purple tones. I think they're really pretty, and I was really impressed with the pigment. I was not expecting those solids to be super vibrant. So I'll go ahead and link everything below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.